come back again with Learning Thai with Tuk today. And today, I would like to teach you another word. That is clock. C-L-O-C-K, clock. Is like, in English, it say like that, but in Thai, we say นาฬิกา 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 For example, I put the clock on the wall. I put the clock on the wall. So, ฉันแขวน Put in this content, it means แขวน I put the clock on the wall. ฉันแขวนนาฬิกาบนฝาผนัง ฉันแขวนนาฬิกาบนฝาผนัง I ฉัน put on แขวน the clock นาฬิกา on the wall บนฝาผนัง I put the clock on the wall ฉันแขวนนาฬิกาบนฝาผนัง ฉันแขวนนาฬิกาบนฝาผนัง Okay, in case that you have any question and would like to know more about Thai words or anything about Thailand, you can leave me the comment and I will answer you back as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and your support. See you soon. Bye bye.